Hello friend, good morning. Welcome to BI visualization. Today we'll learn about Power BI. So we'll see today we'll learn about Power BI starting from basic to advanced level one by one. So now coming into point, what is Power BI? Okay. So Power BI is a technology where we can create report and dashboard in the form of visual like pie chart, column chart, okay, or table chart or line chart, or and many more other chart like map chart. So in Power BI there is multiple option. Once we can open the Power BI, then we'll see how many chart are available in Power BI by default. Apart from that, we can also see how can you download uh, some other chart from marketplace. Okay. Next, how many type of Power BI available in the market? Okay. So Microsoft provided three type of Power BI available in the market. First one, Power BI Desktop, Power BI Services, and Power BI Mobile. So these three type of service which is provided by Microsoft and available. So we can download and install. So for Power BI Desktop, we can say Power BI Desktop. So the logo of Power BI Desktop it look like this. Okay. So what is the Power BI Desktop? Power BI Desktop is a tool where we can load the data and create different kind of visual like pie chart, column chart. So Power BI Desktop is totally free version. Anybody can download from Microsoft site and install your desktop, and you can start the your creating report and dash report in Power BI. It's a totally free. Power BI services. Power BI services is inside cloud. You can say Power BI services is cloud based. So Power BI services, those who are having a purchase Power BI license, those people only can see the Power BI services. Otherwise, if you have any school or organization ID, so Microsoft provided you for 2 months of free trial. And third one is a Power BI mobile. So Power BI mobile is basically application which we can download in your mobile from Play Store. So these three type of Power BI service provided by Microsoft, and here we'll start in next chapter from Power BI Desktop. What is Power BI and what are the uses of Power BI Desktop? How can we create report and how can we load data? Then start create report from different kind of data source. Okay, friend. Thank you. Thank you for a day.